Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu A1 Mini Z-axis homing fail. Calibration error troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Remove any obstructions. Turn off the printer, then remove any finished print, filament debris or tools from the build plate. Then check that the print head and build plate can move freely by hand. Step 2. Check the hot end installation. Make sure the hot end is fully inserted into the tool head. Now lock the hot end securely with the retaining clip. A loose or partially installed hot end can prevent the eddy current sensor from detecting the bed correctly. Fix 3. Inspect the eddy sensor cable. Turn off the printer and remove the tool head cover. Now check that the eddy sensor cable is connected securely. Look for loose, pinched, or damaged wires around the hot end assembly. Fix 4. Clean the build plate. Remove the build plate and wipe it with isopropyl alcohol. Now remove any filaments stuck on the nozzle that could prevent proper contact during homing. Fix 5. Restart and run calibration. Turn the printer back on, then go to settings, then go to calibration. Now run the automatic calibration or home all and check if the error is cleared. Fix 6. Check for mechanical problems. Move the Z-axis up and down manually to ensure it moves smoothly. Now inspect the lead screws and guide rails for dirt or anything blocking movement. Then tighten any loose screws around the tool head if necessary. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.